Hello and welcome to Don's PC Guide. This is just a quick video on how to screenshot on Windows. So I know this is coming up a lot with everyone on online school and such, so I thought I'd just show this quick tutorial. We're just going to go to the bottom left hand of the screen, click in the type here to search, type out snip. Now it's going to come up snipping tool, you can click on that. You click make sure whatever screen you're on is what you want to snip or screenshot. Click new, and then save that entire screen. There's my screenshot right there. Now you can save it to wherever you want. I'll save it to my desktop. Right there. Save. And there it is right there. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and click the bell. Have a great day.